What do you think about the respect for doctors in current society?
Oh, TV channel interview. You want me to talk right from my heart? Oh, right from the bottom of my heart and not politically correct. There'll be lots of controversy, man. Huh? Oh, only then your TRP channel will increase, huh? That's okay, huh? What respect, da? Huh? Nobody is respecting us, da. Huh? Take my mom for example. Huh? She made me a doctor, and when she had COVID-like symptoms, I asked her to go to a doctor. She is like, hey, யாரா டாக்டர் கிட்டலாம் போவான் they take all money out of you. I paid 10,000 rupees for my master health checkup. They checked me up and down, took my 10,000 rupees and said everything is normal. It doesn't have to be cancer. At least they could have given me a diagnosis of ulcer. Thank God I did not take my mom to the COVID testing, because if the COVID testing is negative, she will say, I know this. That is why I said don't spend this 500 rupees on this. At least they could have given the nasal swab to me, so at least காது கோடையதுக்கா யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கலாம்.
What went wrong? Why all of a sudden there is this change?
It's because of Google. It's because of stupid Google. Everybody goes on Google, types the symptoms and finds their diagnosis by themselves. In Google, if you have stomach pain, you type in stomach. Before even completing the sentence, it shows the results of stomach cancer. It looks as if it is your own test results. I think zodiac sign of Google is Cancer. I have told to everybody that in my office, if anybody searches Google and comes to my office, I charge them 10% more. One patient is telling me, Dr. Pal, I have pain in my left lower quadrant. It is dull, localized, not radiating. It is definitely acute appendicitis. I have searched up in Google. Let's remove the appendix. Na ready? Neenga ready ya? Abdingra. Day. This is not an appendix page that you can tear out of the book. How do I tell this guy that the appendix is on the right side? He's telling me with so much confidence that I myself gets confused whether the appendix is on the right side or left side. See, the word patient is coined because patients were patiently waiting for doctor's advice. Now it is exactly the opposite. Doctors are patiently waiting for the patient's advice. We just do whatever they say.
So you are saying that patients will tell you what to do?
Absolutely. One of my patients is telling me I have abdominal pain. I took ultrasound, which was normal. I had vomiting. I took CT scan, which was normal. Now I have a headache. What should I take? I said take my medical degree. We are literally like serving patients like servers in a restaurant. Thank you so much for choosing our hospital for your needs. As an appetizer, we can give you paracetamol. For soup, we can give you cough syrup. For main entree, we can give you a heart surgery. And as a dessert, we can treat your diabetes. To spice it up, we can give you a free colonoscopy. If you come to ICU 2 times, the 3rd time is free. We do not take anything from the patient. Even if you have a kidney stone, we will give it back to you. I hope you liked our service and come back as soon as possible. And do not forget to rate 5 stars on Yelp.
What is your advice to young kids who wants to become a doctor?
I feel so bad for these young 12th standard students who become school topper, and the reporter is asking, what do you want to become? He is like, I want to become a doctor to save someone's life. Little does he know that once he becomes a doctor, he needs somebody to save his life. Doctors are getting beaten up. In Coimbatore, since the patient did not get improved, the patient's family bit the doctor's ear. After biting the doctor's ear, they're asking, when can I come for a yearly checkup? You don't need a medical degree to become a doctor. All you need is a smartphone. Previously, the parents used to say proudly that my son has completed a medical degree. Now they are saying that my son has completed downloading the latest Apple iOS software 12.5. People used to trust doctors before. Now it is always a second opinion. The other day, one of my patients is asking me, Doctor, do you know a good doctor to get a second opinion? Second opinion is okay, but for 1 second, did you think that you're asking me itself?
So you are saying that don't become a doctor now?
No, don't become a doctor because of prestige or money. Don't become a doctor because your mom and dad wanted to be a doctor. They could not become a doctor, so they're trying to make you and one so that they can satisfy their dreams. Become a doctor because you truly love medical science. When you treat a patient, they recover. The sense of satisfaction that you get is a true personal respect for you, and that cannot be changed by anyone. That is the main reason that you have to pursue a doctor career.